an intermittent fast, and let me just explain what that is. That means that you are spending about 16 hours not eating, okay, and 8 hours eating. So perhaps you would start your eating at 10 a.m. and then you would be done with that at 6 p.m. Okay. And during that time, you're still being mindful. I think sometimes people think an intermittent fast is okay. I'm going to fast for 16 hours and then during the 8 hours, I'll eat whatever. And truthfully, it doesn't really look like that in order to be productive. I like, and I talk about this in my book, Eat Like You Give a Fork, The Real Dish on Eating to Thrive. Those days that you're intermittent fasting, actually take the 8 hours and give your digestion a break by eating maybe more plant-based foods, and that will help to kick everything in a little bit more dramatic way. So fill up on the good fuel. Get your leafy greens in there. Get your low glycemic fruit in there. Drink a lot of water. You can still eat a little meat, but maybe focus more on, the chickens and the seafoods and the things like that that are a little easier for your body to digest versus red meat, which can be a little bit harder on your system.